Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a book titled To Kill a Mockingbird by Harper Lee. I need it for my literature class assignment.
Okay, let me check in our library catalog. Could you spell the title and author for me just to make sure?
Sure, it's Tokill. Thank you. One moment. Yes, we do have it. There are 2 copies available. Oh, that's great. Can I borrow it immediately? Of course, but you'll need to bring your library card to check it out. Do you have one? Yes, I have my student library card here. Perfect. Just bring it to the counter when you're ready to borrow. Thank you. Could you also tell me where to find it? I'm not very familiar with the library layout yet. Sure. It's in the fiction section. If you walk straight down this aisle and take the 3rd right, you'll see the shelves labeled F20 to F30. The book is on shelf F23. Great. Are the shelves arranged alphabetically by author's name or by title? In the fiction section, the books are arranged alphabetically by author's last name. So since Harper Lee's last name is Lee, you'll find it after King and before Morrison. That makes sense. I think I can find it now. If you like, I can give you a map of the library. It shows all sections and shelf numbers. That would be really helpful. Thank you. Here you go. See the red mark? That's the fiction section. F23 is highlighted in blue. Perfect. That makes it much easier. Also, if you need help locating other books, you can always ask the staff. We're happy to guide students. Thanks. By the way, I have a question. How long can I keep a book once I borrow it? For fiction books, the standard borrowing period is 3 weeks. You can renew it online or in the library if no one else has reserved it. Oh, I see. What happens if I return it late? There is a late fee of $0.50 per day, so it's better to return or renew it on time. Okay, I'll make sure to remember that. Also, I need the book for a group discussion. Can I make a reservation if the book is borrowed by someone else? Yes, you can reserve it online or at the counter. Once it's returned, we'll notify you via email or phone, and you can borrow it immediately. That's really convenient. Thank you. No problem. Do you also need any reference materials or study guides for To Kill a Mockingbird? Yes, that would be helpful. Are they in the same section? Reference guides and study materials are in the literature reference section, near the main reading room. The books are not for borrowing, but you can use them in the library. That's fine. I just need to take notes from them. Perfect. You can sit at one of the reading tables near the reference section. We also provide pens, paper, and laptops if needed. Oh, do you provide laptops in the library? Yes, we have 10 laptops for student use. You need your student ID to log in. That's great. I might need a laptop to type my assignment later. Sure. Also, if you need to photocopy pages from the book or study guide, we have a photocopier near the counter. Are there any charges for photocopying? Yes, it's $0.10 per page. That's reasonable. One more thing. To Kill a Mockingbird is a popular book, so students often reserve it. I suggest borrowing it today if you can. I'll do that. Can I borrow both copies for my group discussion? Unfortunately, each student can borrow only one copy, but your group members can borrow the second copy if available. Okay, that works. Also, remember to check the condition of the book before borrowing. Make sure pages are not torn and there's no writing inside. Got it. I'll check carefully. Great. Do you need help finding the shelf now, or will you use the map? I think I can find it with the map. Thank you so much for all your help. You're welcome. Enjoy your reading and let us know if you have any questions. I will. Goodbye. Goodbye. Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for some books by J.K. Rowling. I'm a big fan, and I want to borrow a few for my literature project.
Great. J.K. Rowling's books are quite popular. Are you looking for a specific title or any book by her?
I'd like Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, and if possible, also the next 2 books in the series.
Sure. Let me check the library catalog. Can I see your student library card, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. All right. Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone is available. There are 2 copies, both in the young adult fiction section.
That's great. And what about the second and third books?
The second book, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, is currently borrowed by another student, but you can reserve it online or here at the counter. The third book, Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban, is available on shelf YA14.
Perfect. I'll borrow the first and third books now and reserve the second one.
All right. Please come to the counter with your library card and I'll issue the books.
Thank you. By the way, are these books arranged by title or author in the young adult section?
In this section, the books are arranged alphabetically by the author's last name, so you'll find all J.K. Rowling books grouped together under R for Rowling.
That makes it easier to locate them. Can you show me the exact shelves?
Sure. Follow this aisle to the right and you'll see shelves labeled YA10 to YA20. Shelf YA12 has Philosopher's Stone and YA14 has Prisoner of Azkaban.
Perfect. Thanks a lot. Do I need to return the books in a week or longer?
Fiction books like these can be borrowed for 3 weeks. You can renew them online if no one else has reserved them.
Okay, that's convenient. How about reserving the second book that is currently borrowed?
I can reserve it for you right now. Once it's returned, we'll notify you via email and phone and you can pick it up.
That's perfect. Please reserve it for me.
Done. You'll get a confirmation email shortly.
Thank you so much. I also wanted to ask, are there any study guides or discussion notes available for these books?
Yes, in our reference section near the reading room, we have study guides and discussion notes for popular novels, including the Harry Potter series.
Can I borrow those, or do I have to use them in the library?
Reference books cannot be borrowed, but you can use them in the library. You can take notes or photocopy pages if needed.
That's fine. Are there computers in the library if I want to type my notes?
Yes, we have 15 computers in the reading room. You just need your student ID to log in.
That's very helpful. Can I also photocopy a few pages from the books?
Yes, the photocopier is near the counter. It costs 10 cents per page.
That's reasonable. Do you provide any online versions of these books?
Yes, our library has digital copies and ebooks. You can access them through our library portal using your login ID.
Great. I might use the digital copy for quick reference while I'm on the go.
Absolutely. The ebooks can be read on a tablet, laptop, or even your phone.
Perfect. By the way, are there any group discussions or clubs related to J.K. Rowling books?
Yes, we have a weekly Young Readers Club. They often discuss popular novels, including the Harry Potter series. You can join if you like.
That sounds fun. How do I join?
Just fill out a registration form at the front desk or online through our website.
I'll definitely join. One more thing. I noticed some of the books have a new arrival tag. Are these newer editions different from older ones?
Yes, new editions may have revised text, updated cover designs, or additional notes. Some also have larger fonts or illustrations.
That's interesting. I think I'll take the newer edition if possible.
No problem. The Philosopher's Stone copy we have is the new edition with illustrations.
Excellent. Can I also borrow more books by the same author? I want to complete the first 4 books of the series for my project.
Yes, we have the first 4 books available. I can issue them all together, and you can reserve the 5th book if it's currently borrowed.
That's perfect. Thank you for all your help.
You're welcome. Remember to return the books on time or renew them online if needed. Also, keep the books in good condition. No writing inside, please.
I will. I really appreciate your guidance.
Anytime. If you need help with locating other authors or reference materials, just ask.
Sure. I'm glad I came to the library today.
Enjoy reading J.K. Rowling's books and good luck with your project.
Thank you.
Goodbye.